Hey, what's up, content creators? If you're into video creation, then you need to hear about Adobe Firefly's latest AI update. Trust me, this is a game changer. So, Adobe just dropped a bombshell with their Firefly AI video model, and it's about to revolutionize how we make videos. Imagine having an AI that can not only understand your creative vision, but also help you execute it flawlessly. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's here. First up, let's talk about the AI-driven editing. Firefly's new model can now analyze your footage and suggest edits that match your style. Whether it's cutting out the fluff, adding transitions, or even suggesting the perfect music track, this AI has got your back. No more spending hours tweaking your edits. Firefly does it in minutes. Next, the Smart Effects feature is insane. You know how sometimes you want to add that extra flair to your videos but don't have the time or skills to do it? Firefly's got you covered. With its intelligent effects, you can add cinematic looks, color grades, and even motion graphics with just a few clicks. It's like having a professional editor in your pocket. And let's not forget about the adaptive learning. The more you use Firefly, the better it gets at understanding your preferences. It learns your style, your go-to effects, and even your pacing. So over time, it becomes your ultimate creative assistant, making the editing process faster and more intuitive. But wait, there's more. Adobe has also integrated Firefly with their cloud services. This means you can collaborate with your team in real time, no matter where you are. Share your projects, get instant feedback, and make changes on the fly. It's never been easier to work remotely and still produce top-notch content. And for those of you worried about the learning curve, don't be. Adobe has made sure that Firefly is user-friendly and easy to navigate. They've included tons of tutorials and resources to get you up to speed in no time. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, Firefly is designed to make your life easier. To wrap it up, Adobe Firefly's latest AI video model is a game changer for content creators. It's packed with features that streamline the editing process, enhance your creativity, and save you tons of time. So if you haven't checked it out yet, what are you waiting for? Dive in and see how Firefly can take your videos to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and updates on the latest video creation. Catch you in the next one.